In last some lecture, we have discussed the acid strength of simple aliphatic acid, unsaturated acid, then substituted aliphatic acid and phenolic compound. In this lecture, we have discussed the acid strength of carboxylic acid. Consider the aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid. The benzoic acid have pK value 4.7. The benzoic acid is stronger than simple aliphatic acid. The cyclohexane carboxylic acid, which have pK value 4.87. Why the benzoic acid is stronger than the cyclohexane carboxylic acid? In both acid undergoes dissociation to give conjugate base. The conjugate base of both acid is well stabilized by electron withdrawal resonance effect by minus R effect. The conjugate base of benzoic acid and cyclohexane carboxylic acid are stabilized by the minus R effect of this adjacent carbonyl, negatively charged oxygen in both cases attached to the carbonyl. This carbonyl have minus R effect, and minus R effect stabilize this conjugate base. But which factor make aromatic carboxylic acid stronger? We see the structure of both compound. Carboxylic group attached to sp2 carbon in aromatic carboxylic acid, and in simple aliphatic acid the carboxylic group attached to the sp3 carbon. The sp2 carbon have minus I effect, and this minus I effect help for dissociation. The minus I effect of sp2 carbon make aromatic carboxylic acid is stronger than the simple aliphatic acid. It have sp3 carbon, and sp3 carbon have the plus I effect. The plus I effect generally does not help for dissociation. It destabilizes after the formation of this conjugate base. This conjugate base is destabilized by plus I effect, and due to this reason cyclohexane carboxylic acid is weaker than benzoic acid. In benzoic acid, carboxylic group attached to sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon have minus I effect, and this minus I effect help for dissociation. It also stabilize the conjugate base, and due to the additional plus I effect which is present in aromatic carboxylic acid, this minus I effect make the aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid, is stronger than the simple aliphatic acid like cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Then consider the another substituted aromatic carboxylic acid. Then consider this substituted aromatic carboxylic acids. Then consider if substituted aromatic carboxylic acid. Substituted aromatic carboxylic acids. If aromatic carboxylic acid have, if the aromatic carboxylic acid have electron donating group attached to benzene ring or the phenyl ring, then acidity generally decreases. Not large, but acidity in small quantity generally decreases. Consider the four acids. This is the benzoic acids. This benzoic acid have pK value 4.2. Consider orthomethyl carboxylic acid, orthomethyl benzoic acid. It has pK value 4.42. Then consider the another one is metamethyl carboxylic acid. It have pK value 4.24. And consider the last one, the paramethyl benzoic acid. It have pK value 4.35. substituted aromatic acids. The aromatic acids are generally stronger than simple aliphatic acid we have discussed due to the minus I effect. Then consider the substituted aromatic carboxylic acid. In substituted aromatic carboxylic acid, if the substituent is electron donating, if the methyl group is electron donating, if in substituted aromatic carboxylic acid the substituent attached to the benzene ring is electron donating like methyl group, alkyl group, then acidity decreases. All these compounds have higher pK value than the benzoic acid. It is a 4.42, 4.24 and 4.34. This ortho, meta and para substituted benzoic acids are weaker acid than the benzoic acid because of this methyl group have plus I effect. It also have hyperconjugative effect. It have plus I effect and hyperconjugative effect. The plus I effect generally destabilize the conjugate base of acid and due to it does not help for dissociation, and due to this reason these three acids are generally weaker acid than the benzoic acid. Among all these acids, consider the acid strength. Benzoic acid is stronger than the benzoic acid. Consider acid strength in decreasing order. Benzoic acid is stronger than metamethyl benzoic acid, which is stronger than the paramethyl benzoic acid, and which is stronger than the orthomethyl benzoic acid, Why orthomethyl benzoic acid is a weak acid among these three? This is the decreasing order of acid strength for these four different acids. Benzoic acid is stronger than, it is the most acidic compound. It is the most acidic. It is the least acidic. Why orthomethyl benzoic acid is a weaker acid among these acids? The acidity decreasing same order. We go from benzoic acid to metamethyl, metamethyl to paramethyl, and paramethyl to orthomethyl. The acid strength is decreases. Why the acid strength is decreases? Because of methyl group have generally electron donating inductive effect, the plus I effect, and the plus I effect is depends on distance. As the distance increases, the plus I effect, as the distance increases, the plus I effect decreases. In metamethyl benzoic acid generally stronger than paramethyl and orthomethyl because of in metamethyl benzoic acid the hyperconjugative effect does not operate. There is no hyperconjugation. In ortho and paramethyl benzoic acid the hyperconjugative effect is generally operate. In metamethyl only plus I effect, and this plus I effect is again less. In paramethyl have less plus I effect than orthomethyl because methyl group is closer to the carboxylic acid due to the high plus I effect. The plus I effect is high, the conjugate base has less stable, and due to the less stability of conjugate base, orthomethyl benzoic acid is less acidic than paramethyl. In paramethyl generally plus I effect is absent. But why it is less acidic than metamethyl? Because there is a hyperconjugative effect also present. This hyperconjugative effect make ortho and paramethyl benzoic acids are weaker than metamethyl benzoic acid. And why metamethyl is weaker than benzoic acid? The plus I effect, the less plus I effect of methyl group make this is a weaker acid than the benzoic acid. If in aromatic carboxylic acid, in substituted aromatic carboxylic acid, if we attach the substituent is electron donating alkyl group to benzene ring, the acidity goes on decreases. The acidity generally decreases. The acid strength decreases. The acidity strength decreases in this order. Benzoic acid is stronger than metamethyl. Metamethyl is stronger than paramethyl benzoic acid, and paramethyl benzoic acid is stronger than orthomethyl benzoic acid. Metamethyl is weaker than benzoic acid due to the less plus I effect. The hyperconjugative effect is present only in paramethyl and ortho orthomethyl benzoic acid. The plus I effect is very high at orthomethyl benzoic acid. Due to the high plus I effect, the conjugate base of given orthomethyl benzoic acid is less stable and it is a less acidic. In para-methyl, plus I effect is generally absent, but hyperconjugation make the given acid is weaker than metamethyl benzoic acid. But due to the less plus I effect, it is stronger than the orthomethyl benzoic acid. This is the effect of electron donating group on acidity of aromatic carboxylic acid. Electron donating group generally have plus I effect or plus R effect, and methyl group, alkyl group generally have hyperconjugate effect. These generally destabilize the conjugate base and acid strength are generally decreases. If we attach electron donating group to the benzene ring in aromatic carboxylic acid, the acid strength goes on decreasing. The acid strength are generally decreases. Then consider the another substituted acid. If we attach the electron withdrawing substitute, if we attach electron withdrawing substitute which are minus R effect, if we attach electron withdrawing substituent to the benzene ring, the acid strength R increases. Then consider the effect of electron withdrawing substituent. Effect of electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups have minus R effect. In aromatic carboxylic acid, we attach electron withdrawing substituent to benzene ring, the acid strength increases. Then consider these four examples. Benzoic acid, it have pK value. It has pK value 4.2. If we attach electron withdrawing group NO2, then it has pK value 2.70. Then consider meta-nitrobenzoic acid. It has pK value 3.45. And consider the meta-nitrobenzoic acid. It has pK value 3.40. On the basis of pK value, we can easily decide the acid strength. Which acid is stronger? Among these four acids, consider the pK value of benzoic acid is a 4.2. In general, in aromatic carboxylic acid, if the substituent attached to benzene ring is electron withdrawing, like NO2 group, then acid strength is increases. Electron withdrawing group have minus R effect, and minus R effect generally help for dissociation. Minus R effect generally increases the stability of conjugate base, and due to this reason, so if aromatic benzene ring have electron withdrawing groups, then acid strength is increases. All these three acids, ortho, meta and para, have lower pK value than the benzoic acid. Means all these three acids are stronger than the benzoic acid. Then consider the acid strength, the decreasing order of acid strength. The benzoic acid is stronger than this orthonitrobenzoic acid. It is the most acidic than the para-nitrobenzoic acid. It is para-nitrobenzoic acid. It has pK value 3.40. It is a stronger acid than meta-nitrobenzoic acid. It has pK value 3.40 and it is stronger than the benzoic acid. And what is the reason why orthonitrobenzoic acid is stronger than this para-nitrobenzoic acid? Para-nitrobenzoic acid is stronger than meta-nitrobenzoic acid, and meta-nitrobenzoic acid is stronger than benzoic acid. What is the reason? Because NO2 group generally have minus I effect and minus R effect. The minus R effect is depends on distance from R the depends on distance. The distance between functional group and substituent increases. The inductive effect generally decreases. NO2 group close to the carboxylic group means in ortho minus I effect is high. In para minus I effect is less. But in these two cases, the minus I effect are present in orthonitro and paranitro. Both effects minus I and minus I effect are present. But in orthonitro benzoic acid, why this acid is stronger than paranitro? Paranitro is stronger than metanitro, and metanitro benzoic acid is stronger than benzoic acid. What is the reason? NO2 group have minus I effect. In orthonitro benzoic acid, NO2 group close to the carboxylic group, it have high minus I effect. Minus I effect is also present. Due to high minus I effect, orthonitro benzoic acid is stronger than paranitro. In paranitro, minus I effect is relatively absent. This very small minus I effect is present, and minus I make this is stronger than the metanitro. In metanitro, minus I effect is present, but it is a less minus I effect, and minus I effect is absent. There is no polarity nitro group and benzoic carboxylic group in metanitro benzoic acid. They are not in one flame. The resonance effect is not operate, and this make it is a weaker acid than the paranitro benzoic acid. The minus R effect make paranitro benzoic acid stronger than metanitro. In metanitro, less minus I effect is present. For NO2 group, there is no substituent, and this NO2 group make metanitro minus I effect of NO2 group make metanitro is stronger than benzoic acid. This is the relative acid strength for this aromatic carboxylic acid having electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing group attached to benzene ring, the acid strength generally increases. NO2 group is close to the carboxylic in ortho nitrobenzoic acid. Due to high minus I effect of nitro group, it is more acidic than paranitro. In paranitro, minus I effect relatively small or generally absent, but minus R effect makes it is stronger than the metanitro. Ortho is more stronger than para because in this case minus I effect is absent, but in this case minus I effect is high. Due to high minus I effect, dissociation is occur in large proportion, in higher proportion, and conjugate base is again more stable. Paranitro is more stronger than metanitro because of minus R effect. This minus R effect is absent in metanitro benzoic acid, and less plus I effect of nitro group make metanitro benzoic acid is stronger than the benzoic acid. It have pK value 4.2. It is a least acidic compound. This is the effect. Electron donating substituent decrease the acid strength if attached to aromatic benzene ring in carboxylic acid, and electron withdrawing substituent increases the acid strength when electron withdrawing group attached to the benzene ring. Due to the electron withdrawing group have minus I effect and minus R effect, and this minus I minus R effect make all aromatic carboxylic acid having electron withdrawing groups are stronger than the benzoic acid. Then consider the third type of substituted acid. The aromatic carboxylic acid having hydroxy group. Aromatic carboxylic acid having hydroxy group, chlorine, bromine and methoxy substituent. Consider the effect of OH, OMe, chlorine, bromine. And consider the effect of OMe. Generally these groups have minus I effect. In this group, in hydroxy group oxygen, in methoxy group oxygen is electronegative. Chlorine and bromine also electronegative. Due to the electronegativity, these groups have minus I effect. Generally these groups have minus I effect. All these atoms have lone pair electrons. The electronegativity have minus I effect of these atoms, but lone pair electron is also present, and these lone pair electron have the plus R effect. There is a two opposing effects are present for this substituent. If aromatic carboxylic acid have hydroxy, methoxy, chlorine and bromine substituent. Then what is the effect of this group on acid strength? These groups generally have minus I effect, and minus I effect help for dissociation. It increases the acid strength. This minus I effect of this group increases the acidity, and at the same time the plus R effect decreases the acidity. The plus R effect generally decreases the acidity. Then what is the effect of this substituent on acid strength of carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid? Then consider the examples. We take these three examples. Then consider orthohydroxybenzoic acid. It have pK value 4.07. Orthomethoxybenzoic acid. Then consider methoxy group present at meta position. It have pK value 4.09. If the methoxy group present at para position, then it have pK value 4.47. This pK value is 4.47. Then consider these acids. Then what is the relative acid strength as compared with benzoic acid? The benzoic acid have pK value 4.20. All these generally orthomethoxy and metamethoxybenzoic acids are stronger than benzoic acid, but orthomethoxybenzoic acids are generally weak acid. We discuss the effect of hydroxy, methoxy, chlorine and bromine on acid strength. In aromatic carboxylic acid, if substituent attached to benzene ring are OH group, ONE group, chlorine or bromine, then what is the effect of these groups? We already discussed oxygen, chlorine, bromine. These are electronegative atoms. Due to the more electronegativity of these atoms containing group have minus I effect, and these atoms also have lone pair electron. These lone pair electron generally have plus R effect. These two opposing effects are present for these two groups, minus I effect and plus R effect. What is the effect of these group on acid state? Consider methoxy group when attached to ortho position, it make the given acid state is increases. It have low pK value than benzoic acid. When methoxy group attached to ortho and meta position, then acid strength is generally increases. The acid strength are generally increases, but for para methoxybenzoic acid strength is decreases. What is the reason? Because these group, the inductive effect is depends on distance. When minus I effect in this case is very high, the minus I effect is very high. The plus I effect is also present, but minus I effect in orthomethoxybenzoic acid is very high. Due to the high minus I effect, this orthomethoxybenzoic acid is in this case this value is generally 1.19. It has similar acid state as compared to benzoic acid. Methoxy group away from the benzoic acid by 2 carbon, 1, 2, 3 bonds. As the distance increases, inductive effect decreases. The minus I effect is less and plus R effect is absent. Only minus I effect is present, plus R effect is absent, and this makes methamethoxy is stronger than benzoic acid, but it is weaker than orthomethoxy, because in orthomethoxy minus I effect is very high, because methoxy group is close to the carboxylic group, and due to this reason minus I effect is high, and due to the high minus I effect it is stronger than metamethoxy. But in this case minus I effect is completely absent. In para-methoxybenzoic acid minus I effect is completely absent, only plus R effect is present, and due to presence of plus R effect, the plus R effect is present, this acid are weaker than the benzoic acid. As compared to these two are also benzoic acid, it is almost weaker acid, because In para-methoxybenzoic acid, methoxy group is away from the carboxylic group. It is very 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bonds away. After the 3-4 bonds, inductive effect does not operate. Minus R effect of methoxy group completely absent. Only plus R effect is present. Plus R effect generally decrease the acid state, it destabilize the conjugate base, and due to this reason, p-methoxybenzoic acid is a weaker acid than the benzoic acid and ortho and meta-methoxybenzoic acid. Among these, ortho-methoxy is stronger than meta-methoxy. Meta-methoxy is stronger than benzoic acid, and benzoic acid is stronger than para-methoxybenzoic acid. Ortho-methoxy is stronger because high minus I effect, and which make the given acid is stronger than all remaining acid. Consider the another example. If chlorine containing substituent are attached to the benzene ring, if the chlorine containing substituent, consider this is the benzoic acid, have pK value 4.20. When chlorine substituent attached to the ortho position, the pK value is 2.94. When chlorine attached to the meta position, the pK value is it have pK value 3.83, and in para position the pK value is 3.99. On the basis of pK value, we can easily decide the acid state. Orthochlorobenzoic acid is stronger than, it is the most acidic than metachloro. It has pK value 3.83. It is stronger than parachloro 3.99. And it is stronger than the benzoic acid. It is stronger than the benzoic acid of pK value 4.20. Why orthochloro is more acidic than metachloro? Metachloro is more acidic than parachloro, and parachloro is more acidic than the corresponding benzoic acid. Why? In this case, chlorine is very close to the carboxylic group, only 3 bonds separate. Minus I effect is high, and due to this minus I effect high, the plus R effect is also present, but this minus I effect is dominant in case of acid state. The minus I effect is higher or dominant than the plus R effect, and due to this reason, high minus I effect, orthochlorobenzoic acid is stronger than. In this case, minus I effect is less, and minus I effect is completely absent or very small. But the minus I effect is very small or present. It is present in small amount. The small minus I effect, and there is no substituent. There is minus I effect is absent. Only benzene ring minus I effect is present. But in this case, benzene ring and chlorine minus I effect is present, and which make the parachloro is more acidic than the benzoic acid. Orthochlorobenzoic acid is stronger than metachloro because in orthochlorobenzoic acid minus I effect is high. As minus I effect increases, minus I effect generally help for dissociation of acid. As minus I effect increases, dissociation occur in higher proportion, and stability of conjugate base also increases. In this case, this minus I effect decreases from ortho to metachloro, meta to parachloro. As minus I effect decreases, acid state also decreases. Parachloro is stronger than benzoic acid due to the minus I effect. Small amount of minus I effect is present. In this case, there is no substituent chlorine. It is unsubstituted acid. It is weaker than benzoic acid. Then consider the another example for. Then consider the another example. Hydroxy substituted acids. Para-hydroxy. Then consider simple benzoic acid first, 2.4.20. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid, it have pK value 2.98. Then consider the meta-hydroxybenzoic acid pK value is 4.08 and para-hydroxybenzoic acid pK value is 4.58. We have pK value 4.58. Among these four acids, on the basis of pK value again we write the decreasing order of acid state. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid is stronger than meta-hydroxybenzoic acid 4.08, which is stronger than benzoic acid 4.20 pK value, and it is stronger than the para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Why orthohydroxybenzoic acid is strong? Because minus I effect is again high. The minus I effect is again high. The minus I effect is higher than, as a distant hydroxy group I have from the carboxyl group in meta, then minus I effect is less. As minus I effect decreases, acid state decreases. But why benzoic acid is stronger than para-hydroxybenzoic acid? In para-hydroxybenzoic acid, minus R effect is relatively very small or generally absent, but only plus R effect is present. Only plus R effect is present, and this plus R effect generally decreases the acid state due to presence of plus R effect and absence of minus R effect. The para-hydroxybenzoic acid are generally stronger than the para-hydroxybenzoic acid is weaker than benzoic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid is stronger than meta-hydroxybenzoic acid because orthohydroxy group is close to carboxyl group, minus I effect is high, and due to high minus I effect it is a stronger acid. One additional factor for this, consider its conjugate base. After donation of this proton, the conjugate base make intramolecular hydrogen bonding in case of orthohydroxybenzoic acid, and due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, conjugate base of orthohydroxybenzoic acid are more stable, and due to more stability, minus I effect is present. Also, additional factor is intramolecular hydrogen bonding in conjugate base make it is a more stable, and due to this higher stability, orthohydroxybenzoic acid is stronger than meta-hydroxy. Less minus I effect is present. There is no intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It is stronger than benzoic acid. There is no minus I effect of hydroxy group. It is unsubstituted acid, but it is stronger than para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Minus I effect is completely absent or very small, but only plus R effect is present, and plus R effect destabilizes the conjugate base. It generally decreases the acid state. This is the effect of chlorine and OH and OB methoxy group on acid state. Then consider the relative acid state for these two compounds. Consider the relative acid state for these two compounds. Orthochlorobenzoic acid and orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Then consider the relative state. It have pK value generally 2 point. Then what is the pK value for this? Orthochlorobenzoic acid have pK value 2.94, and orthohydroxybenzoic acid have pK value 2.9. Then which acid is stronger on the basis of pK value? Orthochlorobenzoic acid is stronger than orthohydroxybenzoic acid. What is the reason? Both have minus I effect. Chlorine also have minus I effect. Hydroxy also have minus I effect. The chlorine and hydroxy both have minus I effect. In both cases, minus I effect is present. The relative acid state is relatively generally equal, 2.94 and 2.98. Very small difference. But orthochlorobenzoic acid is stronger than orthohydroxybenzoic a less plus R effect, because for effective overlapping or resonance effect, the orbital should be required in same size. Generally, carbon atom have 2p orbital and this chlorine atom have 3p orbital. In this case, carbon have 2p orbital, oxygen also have 2p orbital. There is a same orbital. In same orbital, effective overlapping easily occurs. The effective overlapping or resonance effect is generally in maximum proportion generally occurs. In this case, plus R effect are high. Plus I effect is also, minus I effect is also present. But in case of orthochloro and orthohydroxybenzoic acid, orthochlorobenzoic acid is stronger than orthohydroxybenzoic acid because of in orthochlorobenzoic acid the inductive minus I effect in both cases is present, but in this case plus R effect is less effectively operate due to orbital have different size. For effective resonance, orbital should be required in same size. Carbon have 2p orbital and chlorine have 3p orbital. Effective resonance effect is not operate. Resonance effect is operate, but there is not effectively operate. But in this case, orbital have same size. Resonance effect is effectively operate. The plus I effect is high, and which make the given acid is a weak acid than orthochlorobenzoic acid. Then consider the other example for acid strength. Compare the acid strength of these two compounds. Then consider this orthohydroxy and 2,4,2,6 dihydroxy benzoic acid. We already discussed the conjugate base of this compound. The conjugate base of this compound. Conjugate base of this compound make intramolecular hydrogen bonding. There is a 2 orthohydroxy group. Minus I effect increases. As the minus I effect increases, the stability of conjugate base increases, the dissociation proportion increases, and acid strength increases. This compound is most acidic. This compound is less acidic. In these two compounds, it is a more acidic. It is a less acidic because only one hydroxy group is present. Its conjugate base is less stable as compared to the conjugate base of this. And in this case, if there is a 2 hydroxy group make hydrogen bonding, this hydroxy group and this hydroxy group both make the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and stabilization increases due to increasing minus I effect and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Stability of conjugate base increases. As the stability of conjugate base increases,